What's up, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to give you guys a very quick update about the markets and talk about Jerome Powell. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about my Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. If you deposit $1,000, you are guaranteed 15 in total. Anyways, now let's talk about what's happening with the charts and such. So just know that right now the market's maintaining its very flat structure, not really doing a whole lot, but we're waiting for Jerome Powell to cause a big move. Powell speaks today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in about 10 minutes from the time I'm recording this. He's going to be talking about interest rates and the economy and give us more insights about what's happening with monetary policy, especially for 2025. He's also going to be talking about inflation and what happened with the latest reports, and we will see if Jerome Powell causes a big rug pull or if he causes the market to bounce. Jerome Powell is known for causing the market to bounce. The last couple of times he spoke, we did see that happen. So we'll see if that ends up being the case in this case or not. So be very patient, and we'll see how things end up going. On top of this, I want to mention that the Fed's website does also talk about him giving a speech at 3 p.m. So this is confirmed. So we'll see what he says about inflation and the economy and what clues he gives us about monetary policy for the next FOMC meeting in December, not to mention next year as a whole. If Powell gives us the pump, we could be looking for an attempt to break back above 597 for a big push. And if he gives us the rug pull, we could see SPY end up losing our 200 EMA. Around the 593s, we lose all of those and start dumping closer to 590. We'll see if we get a big move, but that's what we're going to be expecting if we do get at least a 3-point move. We'll see what Jerome Powell causes. Will ES get back above 6,010, or do we continue to dump closer to about 5,980? We are looking a little bit weaker, technically speaking. This does favor downside, but you never know with Jerome Powell. He could cause anything. Nvidia is range bound. We're either going to break past 147.4 to turn bullish, or get the rug pull below 146 to turn a little bit more bearish. The trend is a little bit weaker, but we are range bound right here. So we'll see which of these directions we end up choosing depending on Jerome Powell. For Bitcoin, trying to push it, we'll see if we break past 89,800, start pushing for 90,500. Or if we get this rejection, start losing 88,500. We're kind of stuck in the middle. I think this might try to push higher, so watch and see if that ends up being the case for the 90,000 plus area. So we'll see. For Tesla, it's either about to see a nice push back up to 317 then 320, or it's about to get a bigger rug pull closer to the 310 area, and eventually 308 or below, which would take us ultimately down to like 300. We are stuck at these levels, so make sure you watch the levels I have called out right over here. Tesla is very bearish after some politics news and also some, analysts said some things about it. I won't go into the full details now. I'll talk more about that later, but that's what's happened to Tesla. NQ looks technically more bearish because of this downtrend that's been established. There is a risk of 21,000 flat triple low, but we'll see what happens with Powell's speech. He could still launch us back up to 21,200, or he could give us the rug pull. We'll have to see about that. QQQ, if we lose 509, we're looking for a dump to 507 or below. If we break past 512, we're looking for a push back up towards these highs. Could go either way, so we'll give it some time. Apple looks more bullish. If we were to lose 220, this support right over here at 227, we start dumping. If we remain bullish, we're looking for 230. Could go either way. We look more bullish though, so we'll see about that. The IWM is a little concerning with this head and shoulders like structure, which could suggest more downside. Not a guarantee. If we do lose 230 though, then I would be expecting that. We'll see if Powell causes the rug pull or not. For coin, we're trying to rebound. We'll see if we try to break back above 290 or not, or if we end up losing 275. This does look a little bit more bullish. It's favoring like 290 plus. Amazon looks a little bit more bullish, trying to push back up to 213. We'll see if Powell causes us to push back to 214 or above, or if we get a rug below 210, but it looks more bullish. Meta looks a little bit more bullish too. We'll see if we try to get back above 576 for a little bit of a bounce. Microsoft looks more bullish. We'll see if it gets closer to 430 or not, as it's trying to rebound. And Google, on the other hand, is kind of flat, so it might attempt to get back up to 178. I see some upside potential in the markets. So we'll see what Jerome Powell causes, guys. I thank you all so much for listening. Get ready for his speech at 3 p.m. in about 5 minutes from now. Until then, have a great time. Get ready for a big move, and peace out.